In this episode of Practical Moments, we address the pros and cons of password vaults and how to use them securely. In our password reuse training course, we talk about why unique, complex passwords are a must in today's world, but keeping track of all of them can be a challenge. That's why password vaults are a game changer. They're like a secure digital safe for all your passwords, letting you create, store, and access them easily without relying on your memory alone. But as with any technology, password vaults aren't perfect. The biggest risk? You're putting all your passwords in one place. If the vault gets compromised, it's like handing over the keys to your digital life. But don't worry, there are 4 simple ways to minimize that risk. First, protect your vault with a strong, unique password and turn on multi factor authentication, also known as MFA. This is a must. Think of it like a second lock. If someone guesses your password, they'll still need the code from your phone or another device to get in. Second, always require a password and MFA when accessing your vault. It might be tempting to trust this device for convenience, but if your device gets stolen or hacked, the trust could backfire. Next, have a backup plan. Some password vault solutions provide recovery options in case you forget your vault password, or they may allow you to provide emergency access to someone you trust. Look at your options so that if you lose access, you have a way to recover your passwords. Finally, keep your vault updated. Software updates fix security holes that hackers could exploit. If your vault asks you to update or make security changes, do it as soon as possible. So, with all of these risks, why use a password vault? It's simple. They make it easy to manage strong, unique passwords for every account, giving you better protection against hackers. Follow these tips and you'll turn your vault into one of your best security tools. Stay safe and stay secure.